Is your cruise control completely dead or refusing to set your speed? You might have a high voltage problem hiding right inside your steering column. Today we are looking at the trouble code P0593 and how to get your cruise control working again. Cruise control is a great feature designed for your comfort on long highway trips, letting you take your foot off the gas pedal while the car maintains a steady speed. However, when the engine control module, or EECM, detects an unusually high electrical signal from the cruise control multifunction input circuit, B, it will trigger this code. The letter B usually points to a specific wire or group of circuits within the system. Along with P0593, you might also see related codes like P0589 or P0592. Thankfully, the severity of this problem is quite low. It will not leave you stranded on the side of the road, but electrical problems do tend to get worse over time, so you should still address it. When this code sets, you will likely experience a few frustrating symptoms. Your cruise control might become completely inoperative, or it might set your car to abnormal speeds. Sometimes the cruise control light on your dashboard will stay illuminated no matter what position the switch is in, or you simply will not be able to lock in your desired speed. The causes for this code usually trace back to the physical multifunction switch on your steering wheel or steering column. It could be a broken or stuck button, damaged wiring that is rubbing against metal parts inside the dash, a corroded electrical connector, or even just years of dirt and spilled coffee gumming up the mechanical buttons. In very rare cases, water intrusion could have damaged the engine computer itself. To start troubleshooting, you need to closely inspect the cruise control switches. Check to see if the buttons feel sticky or do not click smoothly. You can clean them by lightly dampening a rag with mild soapy water and carefully wiping away the grime. Never spray cleaner directly onto the electronics. Using compressed air can also help blow out dust and crumbs from the crevices. If the buttons feel fine mechanically, you will need to dig deeper. This means removing the plastic shrouds around your steering column to reach the electrical harnesses. Always be gentle with interior plastics because they crack easily. Once you have access to the wiring connector, unplug it and look for burnt pins or green corrosion. To properly test the circuit, you will need a multimeter and a specific diagnostic flowchart for your vehicle. You will have to operate the buttons while watching the voltage changes on your meter. If you test the switch and the wiring and everything is perfectly fine, the problem might be inside the main engine computer. Because replacing and programming a new computer is extremely expensive and complicated, that is the perfect time to hand the job over to a professional repair shop. Drive safe and see you in the next video.